Tiny Tunes and Songs Kids channel.
Subtraction, let's do subtraction. Minus means take it away. Right! 2 rabbits minus 1 rabbit. 2 minus 1 equals 1. 3 rabbits minus 1 rabbit. 3 minus 1 equals 2. 4 rabbits minus 1 rabbit. 4 minus 1 equals 3. 5 rabbits minus 1 rabbit. 5 minus 1 equals 4. 6 rabbits minus 1 rabbit. 6 minus 1 equals 5. Subtraction, let's do subtraction. Minus means take it away. 7 bears minus 1 bear. 7 minus 1 equals 6. 8 bears minus 1 bear. 8 minus 1 equals 7. 9 bears minus 1 bear. 9 minus 1 equals 8. 10 bears minus 1 bear. 10 minus 1 equals 9. 11 bears minus 1 bear. 11 minus 1 equals 10. The extended section. 12 apples minus 1 apple. 12 minus 1 equals 11. 13 apples minus 1 apple. 13 minus 1 equals 12. 14 apples minus 1 apple. 14 minus 1 equals 13. 15 apples minus 1 apple. 15 minus 1 equals 14.